And therefore, my idea for a long time was using a company as complicated as, let's say, Exxon.
Yeah.
A lot of people just don't want to invest straight up in an oil company, but they've got hundreds of different businesses within a company like that. And to be able to break it down, it becomes a much better business for a CEO to run because you've got more efficient capital allocation because the market's giving you signal. You can decide what needs capital, what doesn't need capital, all of these things.
Well, and to build on your point, because I think you're 100% correct, Raul, and to build on that point, one of the most difficult parts for these corporations is how do I fund sufficient research and development while making sure that all of these different businesses are funded adequately to grow? And I think that opening up research and development, is going to be huge, right? Because a company really has, if you think about it, all the different stages of investment in it. You can have venture through their research and development arm. You can have early stage through new business launches. You can have growth stages as new businesses really start to become a more important part of the company's economic ladder. And then you can have later stage and value portions of a company based on their most successful and most established business lines. So, you could actually really start to break every company down into the full range of the equity markets and trade every part of that ladder within a single company.
Yeah, and Google's another great example. Alphabet's a great example of a company that people would love to be able to invest in some parts of and not other parts of because there's some really interesting stuff. The issue I've got with all of this is the question is, what is a token? What is equity?